good tomato and good strawberry, secret sauce and the tomato skin chips, and you will get a very nice and original salad. Hello, I'm French Chef Vivien. Today we will prepare tomato and strawberry salad. So we have here a nice strawberry. The type of strawberry, this one is Cléry, but you can use as well. You can use Sifflorette, you can use Marat des Bois, you can use Charlotte also. What is important is that they are nice and tasty. Tomato as well, we have different sort of tomato, in this case 3 kind of tomato and one quite black. So first you clean all this. We will do just a cross. We do a cross here in order to blanch them and to peel them easily. We put tomato in boiling water for around 20 seconds. Up, and of course we cool it down in cold, very cold water. So now we can easily clean our tomatoes. So we remove the skin in order to do a nice piece of skin, because we will use this skin. So now we put our skin of tomato in a tray, in a baking paper, better, the side of meat on top. And this we will put in oven to dry, 100 degrees Celsius, for around half an hour. Usually it's okay, but without ventilation, because in this case you will find your skin in all your oven, because they will fly away. Cut nice pieces of tomatoes. It's good when you have different varieties of tomato, when it's season of tomato, and you can play with even with colors. We cut this part of the tomato to make this segment stable. So we put the tomato as we want, as you want, in a plate. Like this, someone stands, someone in the plate, just lay in the plate. Another piece here, up. And now we cut the best strawberry that we have. This one, it's enough for one plate. Now we put strawberry next to one piece of strawberry in every piece of tomato minimum, for balance of taste. We can also play with the cuttings to make it nice and another texture. And now with all the rest, not nice tomato, we put in a blender. Well, pieces of tomato, cuttings of tomato, also more or less the same volume than strawberry, in blender. So here we have tomato and strawberry. And now we finish the sauce. So the secret sauce: tomato, strawberry, tabasco. Now we add the secret ingredient of this sauce: ketchup, 1, 2, 3, salt, black pepper, brown pepper, olive oil, lime juice, and this will be a kind of gazpacho or Bloody Mary without vodka. And we try, of course. Wow. Voilà, herbs, I advise you to don't add in the blender, but after you just chop them. I will put oregano and mint today, but you can add also basilic. But you keep a little bit of them apart. You will understand why after. So herbs in blender, we use the spoon. So now we put sauce in salad in all little holes that you can find. And now we take a dry skin of tomato, chips, oil, little bit oil, salt, and the herbs that we kept. Herbs stick to the chips, and it's time to put in the place that you choose. We finish with fleur de sel in the top of the tomato, which are standing like a mountain. On the top there is snow. Now it's time to finish the dressing, to add some little flowers of mint, and finally flower of bourrache, and we have a nice salad ready.